what's up, guys? I am Waffleworks P4, but now we changed our channel. It's called Pro Gaming underscore Plays. So I'm basically Pro Gamer Uday, and today I'm here with Chris, and this is his first.
Hey guys, this is my first vlog right here.
Not a vlog. This is a gaming video.
A gaming video.
And if you see a first video and it has the girl, that's his sister, and she's like not a YouTuber. I'm gonna get this guy many subscribers, so I'm gonna get this guy famous. Please subscribe, give him some love, and just do stuff with this guy. If he dies, then he passes on to me, and that's how it goes.
I got my light here. See, light. So
Okay, people already know that, bro. Man, this guy thinks he's a pro gamer now.
I am a pro gamer, but I'm not a pro YouTuber. I know how to vlog, but I never vlogged.
Because he sucks.
I did vlog. I just vlogged on my iPad.
His sister, if you see the girl in the first video, it's his sister. Okay.
You know what I mean?
You died, bro.
Rank 27 now.
What the hell am
I'm gonna be doing everyday vlogs, guys. So
Yeah, probably. This guy,
everyday vlogs, or maybe suddenly vlogging.
oh my god. Bro,
Nothing.
what are your sister, bro? She's moving the thing.
Go faster. Faster. And my friend Uday here. He has a house. Go watch his vlogs. Go subscribe to it. He's a pretty good player. But he still needs to learn. See? He still needs to learn from me.
I don't even play Roblox that much. That's the problem. Because I have good report. I need to do good. I have a good report card, you know.
You don't need to talk.
So, bro. Yo, and the timeline for this is 15 minutes. See? So, like, you can't do more than 15 minutes.
I got this.
And he added some lasers in the scope.
Added this laser, and then I added the scope, and I added this light that helps me. Pretty good.
I barely play. Go to the Pro Gaming channel.
Yeah, go to our gaming channel. Go to our gaming channel.
We don't have a gaming channel.
Not yet.
But we might name this channel the Gaming Bros.
Yeah, us too. Always gonna.
I don't think Gaming Bros are already taken, but I'm gonna check. But anyways, we are the Gaming Bros, guys, and I have a channel called Pro Gaming underscore Plays with my friends, some of my friends, and yeah,
we're all gonna play together.
yeah, but he's not in the Pro Gaming squad, so I don't think he is because my friend's not gonna let him because we had some talks. And I don't think he's gonna get subscribed. Oh!
Shoot back. Give it to me.
I need to reload. Hey! No! Put it! I got him!
Now go.
I have 0 health. 5 health.
The chosen one.
See?
Daddy kills you with the Scar H.
Scar H. I got 1 kill from him for the whole. See, there is people in the background. Please ignore that. The camera's right there. Please ignore it. Can you please move?
Don't see the background and the background noise. Sorry for the background noise.
Yeah.
It can always happen.
Yes,
Sometimes.
yes.
Well, some maybe always.
Yes, I forgot.
No, I know I Roblox password. I keep only one. Only one. I only use only one password. Wow, this is so toxic. Oh my god.
It's my turn, bro. It's my turn. Let me play.
Look,
I can find you.
I can do this stuff. I'm a pro gamer.
Yeah.
And something I've been playing since Roblox for 6 years, man.
Can't say that word yet.
Why?
We're the gaming bros, remember?
Oh yeah, I'm a pro gamer.
If I ever get kicked out of the pro gamer squad, I'm gonna continue my life with pro gamer with the gaming bros.
Vertical grip. I got the. That's good for me.
Bro, the phone ball.
I'm not that trash.
Reload. Your
I'm not
friend.
trash because I've been playing this for.
Your friend is true.
I think he's leaving, guys. I think he's leaving.
And anyways, I might.
Nice. Ignore that. This is our voice.
Take it easy so I don't have to fall and waste some time.
Dun, 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 dun.
What do you do?
Look down right there. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Oh my god, you see why I didn't want to shoot? Because I saw somebody down there.
I couldn't kill that guy already.
Whoa, people are so many dead people. We're losing. Whoa, you already died?
Man, these people in the game are toxic sometimes.
Toxic.
Might not.
Toxic. How would you say toxic?
They're not gonna go with the
Yo, that dude is playing with a lightsaber right now. What is wrong with him? He has a lightsaber and he's trying to kill people with guns? Wrong idea, dude.
lightsaber.
No, he's gonna die.
No, man. Easy. No.
Assist? He's got to be jokes here.
Nah, get that out of here.
So Megan really trying to get. Oh, okay, you're dead, bro. You gotta hide. Oh, okay, you're dead.
You're out of 10. I can do better than that.
Guys, we have 3 minutes. We're gonna do this video for, and our first video would be over. Show this guy some love. Show him some support. Get us some 10 subscribers. Let's see if we can hit 10 subscribers. Probably not, or probably
That way.
I
I'm
don't
sure.
know.
Go left, jump. No, go on that ladder.
I know.
He's looking for the ladder. But this channel to me is gonna be maybe a daily vlog or a day. Sorry.
Daily vlogs every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Yeah. But here's my first box on vlog. No, go up a little bit closer. A bit closer. Reload. A bit closer. Hold on. No. Gonna die. We're trolling. This guy got
Okay, we're gonna He's gonna be trying. He's gonna use the keyboard, and I'm going to use the mouse for shooting.
I'm gonna use a mouse.
No, I'm using the mouse. You're gonna move. Or should we swap places?
What places?
Swap places. So I'm gonna move and he's gonna shoot. And then once we die, we're gonna switch positions. Let me use this. What do I do? What the hell?
Doesn't matter, guys.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, guys.
Let's make the screen a little bigger. We gotta defeat. Wait, hold up, bro. You don't know anything. So, guys, we are going to end the vlog right here. It's not a vlog, bro. It's the
End the gaming video right
I'm not always gonna be here because I live somewhere else. I used to live here, and so like I don't live here anymore. Please tell some friends to subscribe, bro. But today is gonna be over. Peace out, guys. Gaming Bros out.
tomorrow.
Maybe, but I'm not gonna be here. But he's gonna give me a password for his Gmail, and I'm gonna make a vlog. But peace out, guys. Gaming Bros out.
Peace out.
Peace.